Welcome to Easy English Listening. Today's story is called The Red Door. Listen carefully, relax, and enjoy the story. Anna is a student. She lives in a small apartment in the city. Every morning, Anna walks to school. She always takes the same street. She always says hello to Mr. Kim, the shop owner. But today is different. Today Anna sees something strange. There is a door. A red door. She has never seen this door before. That's strange, Anna thinks. I walk here every day. Why didn't I see this door before? Anna stops. She looks at the door. It is old. Very old. There is no number on it. There is no name. Anna wants to open the door. But she is scared. Should I open it? She asks herself. She looks left. She looks right. Nobody is watching. Slowly Anna touches the door handle. It is cold. She turns the handle. Click. The door is not locked. Anna pushes the door open. She sees stairs. Dark stairs. They go down, down, down. Anna takes a deep breath. She takes one step. Then another. At the bottom of the stairs, there is a small light. Anna walks toward it. And then she sees it. A room full of books. Hundreds of books. Thousands of books. In the center of the room, there is an old man, sitting at a table, writing. The old man looks up. He smiles. I've been waiting for you, Anna, he says. Sit down. I have a story to tell you. Anna sits down. The chair is old, but comfortable. The old man closes his book. He looks at Anna with kind eyes. My name is Mr. Petrov, he says. And this room is special. Every book here is a true story. A true story from someone in this city. Anna looks around. So many books. This one, Mr. Petrov says, and he picks up a thin blue book, is your story, Anna. Anna's eyes open wide. My story? But I haven't done anything special. Mr. Petrov smiles. Not yet, he says. But you will. He opens the blue book. The pages are empty. Completely empty. I don't understand, Anna says. There's nothing written here. That's because your story isn't finished, Mr. Petrov explains. Every day you write a new page. With your choices. With your actions. 10 years ago. Mr. Petrov continues, a young man walked through that same red door. He was scared, like you. He didn't know what to do with his life. He had no job. No plan. No confidence. What happened to him? Anna asks. He sat in this exact chair, Mr. Petrov says. And I told him the same thing I'm telling you, you already have the next page. You just need to turn it. Anna turns around and sees a photograph on the wall. The young man in the photo has the same eyes as Mr. Petrov. Anna stares at the photograph. That's you, she says. You were the young man. Mr. Petrov nods slowly. Then he picks up an old brown book. 10 years ago, an old woman sat in this chair, he says. She told me her story. And at the end, she gave me the key to this room. This room doesn't belong to one person, Mr. Petrov explains. It belongs to everyone who is brave enough to open that red door. Someone finds it. They listen. They learn. And one day, they wait for the next person. Anna holds her blue book close to her chest. Mr. Petrov points to the stairs. Go home now, Anna. Live your life. Write your pages. And one day, come back. Anna walks up the stairs slowly. She looks back one more time. But the room is empty. No books. No table. No Mr. Petrov. Just an empty basement, full of dust. Anna steps outside. The red door is gone. There is only a wall. A plain gray wall. Anna touches the wall. It is solid. Real. No door. No handle. She looks down at her hands. The blue book is still there. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed The Red Door. See you in the next story.